how much of seizure we have done till that from these 43 cases. Let me first go with the deadliest drugs. Do you know what is heroin? Not the film star heroin. It may sound very similar, but I'm not talking about the film star heroin. But if you take heroin, yes, you can be heroin. We have, till date, we have seized 277.58 grams. Don't think it is kilogram. It's a gram. Do you know how much quantity, air-like quantity can affect a particular drug user? Anybody? Open question for the teachers also. This may be out of the syllabus, but yes, I think this is coming up as a main subjective matter now. I can remember the quantity which is used for injecting, but I would tell it's just an airdrop pinch. Even for measuring that heroin, we need to order a special weighing machine. Special weighing machine where you just blow your air, the measurement comes out. So that kind of measurement we used to measure in our heroin. So imagine 277.58 grams. Then comes to next, this one, drugs, very well known drugs. We call it ganja. I think this everybody will know, right? So that also we have seized 1 kg 734 grams. 1 kg. Now imagine that dried leaves of ganja also 1 kilogram. How much you will do? And when I was STPO Mokorwat, we seized 29 bags of that ganja. 29 bags. And till now, for that, I am going to the court to give an evidence, till now. Then we have methamphetamine tablet. This is a very difficult name, but we have a very normal name for that. We call it Yaba tablet. I think everyone is aware what is Yaba tablet. But it is known as methamphetamine tablet, which doctors can give us more description for what purpose is this used. On a lighter note, I would like to say I'm also a drug user, but I take drugs always prescribed by a doctor. So leave aside. Then we have nitrazepam tablet. I hope I'm correctly pronouncing. Nitrazepam tablet, which it is called Nidos nitrabazam tablet. That also we have 20 strips. Methamphetamine, we have 8 kilos. 8 kilos we have of this Yaba tablet. Then we have codeine, which we have only 2 bottles. So these are the things which we have seized, and I think you must have gone through in our social media platform also that twice we have already disposed of the seized drugs in the notified disposal center with the court order, which we have already disposed of 57.8 grams of heroin. Ganja is still remaining, which we are preparing to dispose of in the days to come, which we have already received the court order. Then we have 8 kilos Yaba tablet also ready for the disposal. And we have ganja. So these things we are now getting ready with the disposal. Whatever we have seized, initially there was a big confusion among the public also. Whatever police is seizing, what they are doing it in their store. We keep it in the store, which is notified by the court, which we call it NDPS Malkhana.